Hello, today I'm going to talk about how you can relieve symptoms of common cold or flu fast relief of common cold. So I have lemon here, half lemon, I've cut it, and I have water, I have a glass, I have cloves, ground cloves, I have honey to add to taste. Before I cut my lemon, I usually grate off the back to remove the zest, because the peel contains more vitamin C and calcium than the juice, the liquid that we normally use. So I grate that off to use later. You can spread it in your salad. If you're eating rice, you can put it also in your rice. Sprinkle it. You can put it in your cereal. Some infuse it in warm water and drink the filtrate. But sometimes I just take it like that, put in my mouth, like that. Even though the taste is not pleasant, but I tell you, once you get it down, your liver will thank you for it. Yeah, so let's go. So I'm going to squeeze this half lemon with my lemon squeezer into the cup, to the glass. Oh, it has much juice. All that came out. So I'm going to add equal amount of water. It will not be too strong. Now, to that I will add honey. Add honey to taste. It's almost finished, but it should be able to do today. I'll go to the shop and get some. Yeah, that should do. Now, and I sprinkled, I added my cloves into it. As you can tolerate. Oh, okay, I get a spoon, sorry. Yeah, it's my spoon, I just stir it. So this, you can drink it 3 times a day, maybe about two spoons. Two tablespoons, 3 times a day. You can keep the remaining one in the fridge until you exhaust it. If you have more lemon, more honey and cloves, you can make a large quantity that you can keep that can serve you up to 5 days or so. Keep it in the fridge. We see lemon, apart from the high quantity of vitamin C and calcium that it has, which will help in your bone health and your teeth, the health of your teeth, your gums. It's also a natural antibiotic, and the clove anti-inflammatory as well as a natural antibiotic. So combined with honey, you give the slap to the cold and it will go away. So try it and let me know how you feel with it. Quick and fast relief of common cold. I am Juliet Oriri from Your Nature Healing Kitchen. Don't fail to subscribe and give us a like. See you in next video. Hi, going through the journey of infertility. Normally, what happens after marriage, after honeymoon, the couples look, trusting God, to having an addition to their family. Welcome the joy of their life. But sometimes, things don't go as we planned them.